So the given question is like this: the price of a TV is rupees 13,000. The price of a TV is rupees 13,000. The sales tax charged on it is at the rate of 12%. Sales tax on this is 12%. Find the amount that Vinod will have to pay if he buys it. See, this is the price of this TV. Okay, the price of the TV is rupees. Price of TV is equal to rupees 13,000. It is given. Then sales tax is extra. So sales tax is 12%. So in addition to this, he has to pay 12% extra. The amount that we know that has to pay is, so now let us calculate sales tax on TV is 12%. 12% of what is the amount? 13,000. So we have to find out what is the 12% of rupees 13,000. So now 12% means 12 by 100 into 13,000.
12 by 100 into 13,000.
0 to 0 cancels. You will get 12 into 130.
1,560.
1,560 rupees. Okay, this is the tax that he has to pay. So now that amount he has to pay to buy this amount to be paid.
So 13,000 plus 1,500.
13,000 rupees is the price. Then the tax is 1,560. The total amount is 14,560 rupees. So this is the amount he has to pay. This 14,560 includes this tax and the price of the TV. So carefully observe that tax will be calculated on the price of the TV. It is an additional amount, extra amount. This is the price of the TV means extra 12% will be charged. That is called as sales tax for selling the article. So 12%. So 12% on the amount of the article. That is the price of the article. 12 by 100 into 13,000. Simplify 5,560. Add this one with the price of the article. Then it gives you the amount to be paid. So read this question. Arun bought a pair of skates at a sale where the discount given was 20%. If the amount he pays after discount, that is after discount, is 1,600, what is the market price you have to find out? So discount is 20%. Discount is equal to 20%. What is the meaning of this one? 20% discount.
Sir, for 100 rupees, 80 rupees is charged.
So suppose if the
market price is 100 rupees.
if market price is 100, if market price is 100, then the sale price is equal to 80 rupees. So it is 100. So rupees. Then sale price is 80 rupees. So because we want to find out the sale price, see market price, so we'll change the sentence now. If the sale price is 80, if the sale price is rupees 80, then market price must be 100 rupees because 20% discount is there. And they have given the sale price here, 1,600 is the sale price. If the sale price is rupees 1,600, then market price must be equal to 100 divided by 80. Unitary method. We are following 100 unitary method. 100 by 80 into 1,600. You can cancel this 0 with the 0. 8 ones are, 8 twos are, then 20. So 100 into 20. So it is 2,000. 2,000 rupees. So this much amount he has to pay. This is the market price. This is the market price of the article. Market price was 2,000 rupees, but only he has paid 1,600 with a discount of 20%. 20% on this discount means it gives you only 1,600. So market price at the label list price is rupees 2,000 only. I purchased a hair dryer for rupees 5,400. So this is the amount he paid to buy the hair dryer. This is including 8% VAT, value added tax. So this includes 8% tax also. 5,400 includes the 8% tax also. Find the price before VAT. So without including this 8%, what was the price it was mentioned on the article? So this 5,400 includes 8%. So then how to find the market price now? That is the price without VAT. See, 8% VAT. 8% VAT means, so here for every 100 rupees, 8 rupees will be included in that amount now. So price of article without VAT. Price of article without VAT is rupees 100, then price of article with VAT is equal to rupees 108. See, if the price of article without VAT is 100 rupees means with VAT it will become 108. This is 8%. The meaning of 8% now. With VAT it will be 108. So they have given with VAT. They have given with VAT. That means this one is given. So let us change the order of writing this one. So now, so price with VAT. Price with VAT is 108. Is 108 rupees. Then price without VAT. Price without VAT is equal to 100 rupees. Okay. So now price with VAT is, that is given. Price with VAT is rupees 5,400. 5,400 rupees. Then price without VAT. So we have to find out price without VAT will be equal to, so tell me how you can do this by unitary method. 100 divided by into 5,400. So 100 divided by 108 into 5,400. Divide this one. You can divide 108 ones are this one. 5, then 0. 108 5 is 540 it comes. Okay. So 50 is then 50 into 100. So it is 5,000 rupees. So this is the price without VAT. This is the price without VAT. With VAT it is 5,400.